How to rename photos in files on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename photos and files on your iPhone using the built-in Files app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Files app on your iPhone. Once you have opened it, simply navigate to the folder where your file or photo is stored. Now tap and hold on the file or photo that you want to rename, or you can simply open it. And once you have opened it, on the top you will see the name. So just tap on that, and after that a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on rename and now type in the new name that you want to use. And when you are done typing, simply tap on the done option, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. Now your file or photo is renamed. And that's how you can rename photos in files on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.